look at these people. Who are they? Let's find out what they do and where they work. This is a teacher. A teacher works in a school. This is a doctor. A doctor works in a hospital. This is a chef. A chef works in a restaurant. This is a firefighter. A firefighter works at the fire station. This is a pilot. A pilot works at the airport and flies airplanes. This is a farmer. A farmer works on a farm. This is a police officer. A police officer works at a police station. This is a dentist. A dentist works in a dental clinic. This is a cashier. A cashier works in a store or supermarket. Now you know who they are and where they work. Which one is your favorite? Say it out loud or tell someone near you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos from Cyntoons.